Friends, are our God-given rights to chart our own medical course under attack? For too long, we've witnessed a concerning drift towards centralized control, a stifling of individual autonomy, particularly when it comes to our health decisions. But a beacon of common sense and liberty is now shining bright from the great state of Texas. A significant development has emerged from Austin. The Texas House Public Health Committee has bravely passed a bill that would allow pharmacists to dispense ivermectin without a prescription. This isn't just about a single medication. It's a pivotal moment in the ongoing battle for medical freedom, a battle many of us believe is long overdue. Remember the tumultuous days of the pandemic, when fear was weaponized and alternative treatments, even those with decades of safe use and a strong safety profile, were not just questioned but aggressively demonized. We were told to trust the science, but often that science seemed to serve a specific agenda rather than the true well-being of the individual. Ivermectin became a flashpoint in this struggle, a powerful symbol of the tension between bureaucratic dictates and personal medical liberty. The FDA and other agencies issued stern warnings, painting a picture of danger despite countless testimonies and studies from reputable doctors and researchers suggesting its efficacy for various conditions, including certain viral ones. This created an insurmountable barrier for many, especially those in our precious rural communities, who were left without quick, affordable access to what they believed could be life-saving treatment. Our bodies are temples gifted by God, and the stewardship of our health is a deeply personal responsibility. To deny individuals the freedom to choose treatments, especially well-established ones, based on their conscience and consultation, feels like an infringement on this sacred trust. But now, Texas, ever a vanguard of freedom, is pushing back. The Texas House Public Health Committee has just passed House Bill 25, a landmark piece of legislation. Authored by the tenacious State Representative Joanne Shofner and mirrored by Senator Bob Hall's Senate Bill 29, this bill is a profound step towards restoring medical autonomy and local control. What does it mean? It means pharmacists in Texas will soon be authorized to dispense ivermectin without a healthcare practitioner's prescription. Think about the impact. Quicker, cheaper access, especially vital for our rural Texans who often lack immediate access to doctors and face higher costs. This isn't about promoting any single drug. It's about empowering individuals. It's about allowing trained pharmacists, who are vital pillars of our communities and trusted healthcare providers, to exercise professional judgment and provide access to a medication that has been tragically politicized and unfairly sidelined. The bill even mandates standardized procedures for pharmacists to follow, ensuring proper use and patient instruction. Of course, such a bold move for liberty doesn't come without opposition. Democrats on the committee predictably fired back, calling it a political statement and questioning widening access to a drug not approved by the FDA for COVID-19. They pressed for at least a warning label, stubbornly maintaining the official government-backed narrative. But Representative Shofner, standing firm on principles rooted in American freedom and individual responsibility, put it plainly: Texans should decide for themselves, not the government. And that, my friends, is the heart of the matter. It's not about what Washington, D.C. or a handful of unelected bureaucrats dictate. It's about personal choice, informed consent, and trusting individuals with their own health decisions. This isn't just about ivermectin. It's about a foundational principle of liberty. It's about asserting the right of individuals to pursue treatments they believe are best, free from undue government interference. It's about empowering local communities and respecting the discernment of the individual, rather than ceding all authority to a distant, often agenda-driven establishment. As this bill moves to the House floor for a vote, we must watch closely. This isn't just a Texas issue. It's a nationwide statement. It's a testament to the enduring American spirit that values freedom, individual responsibility, and healthy skepticism towards unchecked power. It's a reminder that true healthcare reform begins with empowering the individual, not enlarging the bureaucracy. Let us pray for wisdom for our legislators and for the continued courage to stand for what is right, what is just, and what truly serves the people. Medical freedom is not a privilege granted by the state. It is a fundamental right endowed by our Creator. Texas is reminding us all of that profound truth. Stay vigilant, stay free, and may God bless Texas and this nation.